Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to on any Samsung device, how to basically fix charging issues. All right, so this is a troubleshooting guide breaking down how to fix trouble charging issues. All right, so that includes for any Galaxy Ultra device such as S24, S25, S26. When that one comes out, it doesn't really matter which one. A series, you name it. J series, it doesn't really matter. All right, so of course this is a Ultra, and I'm going to show you what we can do in order to fix charging problems. All right, so we're going to break down the charging problems and show you how we go about fixing them. All right, so this device is working. I'm just going to show you what we do. Now the first thing you want to do with any charging issue is to go ahead guys, and you're going to um, start off by checking your cables. All right, so if your cable is faulty, then of course it will not work. Make sure that you're using original cables. This is the original Samsung cable, I mean it came from Samsung. If you use aftermarket cables like these, they're very cheap and flimsy. As you can see here, the quality in terms of the thickness of the cable. All right, and of course these look alike but they're different in quality, so you want to make sure that you have quality cables. So if you are using inferior cable, go ahead and throw that away and get a superior cable. All right, so this one is a very high quality cable, and of course it does work, especially if it's from the manufacturer. Stick with the manufacturer cable. Next, use appropriate adapter. Also, if the adapter is broken or damaged, switch it out. All right, so you're gonna switch out both the cable and the adapter. It might be the problem. All right. Next, you're gonna go ahead as well, and you're going to switch the charge station or area that you have it plugged in. It might be a port issue or power. All right, these seem simple, but of course you'll be surprised how many times that is actually the problem. All right. Next, you're gonna clean the port. All right, so if there's dust or lint, you're gonna get a anything like a toothpick, plastic, or wood, and you're gonna clean out this port. Make sure you get out all the lint and dirt. Sometimes a dirty port is gonna affect the charging and it can stop charging. All right, so clean your port. Next, if it's a moisture based problem, it could be that the moisture is causing the problem in the port. Go ahead and clean your port completely. Make sure you get out all the water if there's water in there, and of course that should get your port clean. You can go ahead again after cleaning and you can try charging. All right, once you do that and you're up and charging again, in some cases that you might not be able to fix the problem just by doing that. Of course, if the issue is the port that's damaged, you will have to get that port changed, or of course you'll have to bring it in to repair if you can't do that by yourself. Now, another way to get around that is to use a wireless charger. This is a wireless charger, and of course you can use that. It will bypass the port, and of course the device will start charging. So you might need to buy a wireless charger. All right, and in some cases buying a wireless charger might be cheaper than getting a port repair. So I would recommend having a wireless charger. It goes a long way, and of course you can end up benefiting from having a wireless charger around the house. All right, so if that doesn't work, the next thing you can do is to go into settings. You're going to go to apps. You're going to make sure that show system apps is on. Hit OK. You're going to search for USB settings. Here you go. You can use the search to save time. Tap on USB setting. You're going to go to the option that says storage. Then you're going to clear cache and clear data. Reboot the phone. And then, of course, you're going to try once more to charge. So plug it in, try to charge again. All right. If that doesn't work, another thing that you can do, guys, is to turn off your device. Once it's off, get the charger. All right, so you're gonna get your charger, you're gonna place it right at the port. Do not plug it all the way in. Once you activate the power button, Look out for the Samsung logo. As soon as you see the Samsung logo, go ahead and place it in. All right. What this does is to bypass any software-based issues, and of course, it should start charging if it's a software-based issue. If this one fails, your only option at this point would be, as you can see, it's charging. If that fails, it would mean that it's a port-based issue. I'm charging. And of course, you would have to go ahead and get a wireless charger for these high-end devices such as the Ultras. Remember that the A series and some other devices do not have wireless charging. So you may want to check for your device and read the specifications to make sure that it supports wireless charging. Once you get a wireless charger, go ahead, guys, and you should be up again and running. And all you gotta do is just simply place it on the wireless charger, and you should be good to go, and it should start charging. All right, do hope this was helpful, and as always, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. We're gonna say the quick tips showing you how to do this on your auto fix charging issues on any Samsung device. As we said, guys, the troubles, if it's software, is easy to fix. If it's hardware, it's a total different case. Only workaround is a wireless charger, and of course, if all else fails, it means that it's hardware and something within the phone needs to be changed, especially the charge port. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.